Style and sophistication combined with power in the new Touareg. Its V6 engine has an 8-speed automatic transmission with Tiptronic, perfect for cross-country or cross-town. The new Touareg is utility-made luxurious, filled with the finer things in life. It also has the power, versatility, and cargo space for real life. The Touareg Sport comes standard with bi-xenon headlights with LED DRL, 4-motion all-wheel drive system, touchscreen sound system, automatic post-collision braking system, adaptive cruise control, autonomous emergency braking, side assist, hands-free easy open liftgate. From its sleek and stylish exterior to its luxurious interior, the Touareg boasts the kind of quality that represents the epitome of German craftsmanship and design. Luxury comes in many forms. Find yours. For more information on this vehicle or to schedule a test drive, please call Tynan's Volkswagen at 888-603-9899. Tynan's has been family-owned and operated for over 50 years. We are Colorado's #1 Volkswagen dealer and have Colorado's largest selection of new Volkswagens. We continue to be a nationwide leader in customer satisfaction and will meet or beat anyone's price. So what's stopping you? Come by today on Havana in Aurora under Denver's largest American flag.